In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an UGC ad in an image format with AI. Here you can see some examples that I did for the Spanish tutorial. So now, first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and now to create this first type of ad, we need to go to the See More section, and now the tool that we're going to use is this one, Image to Product Ad. Now we have to click here, and here we need to upload the image of our product. So let's click here, and now here where it says choose style, we're going to click, and now click here. And now you need to click here where it says with person. Now in gender, I'm going to choose woman, because it's a serum and I prefer a woman for this type of ads. And in interaction, I'm going to choose holding. Now in ad text, I'm going to choose yes. And in the language, I'm going to choose English. So now I'm going to click here where it says generate. And now that is generating the ad, we are going to do the other ad. So now we have to go to image, and here we need to paste a prompt. It's not as the other tool where we only uploaded the product. Here we have to use a prompt, and the prompt that I'm going to use is this one. An attractive blonde woman of 27 years old using a serum. Here I say that the serum is the one that is in the photo, and then simply I say that is in front of the bathroom mirror. So now we have to click here where it says reference, and now I'm going to upload the image of the product. Now let's go here where it says settings and change the model to GPT-Image 2. Now the quality, I'm going to choose medium because it's much cheaper than the high quality, and then in aspect ratio, I'm going to change it to 2:3. This because it's better than the other aspect ratio 9:16 for the social media. And now I'm going to click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. But as you can see, here we have the first ad. It's a very simple ad where a woman is holding the product, and here we have some text. So now we have to wait more or less 1 minute to see these ads. Perfect. Here we have the images, and as you can see, they are as I described it. It's literally the ad is a woman in her 27 years old, blonde, and using the serum. So if you like these ads, you can try NovoAds AI for just $1, and then you can cancel anytime. And well, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.